Welcome to artbarsurf.com. We are so pleased to introduce you Reddit automation tool, which can create a Reddit account in bank. Also can auto upvote, downvote, follow, join a post in communities, post message, upload evidence, create users, or check karma of Reddit accounts in bank. In this video, we will instruct you to manage and upload timeline on Reddit in bank. There are several basic settings that you have to set up before running any function. So please refer to the video of tutorial how to create Reddit accounts in bank from the minute 1 to minute 10 to see these basic settings. I will post a link of this video in the description box. After finishing all basic settings, there are 3 ways for you to choose to post on timeline here. The first one is post with content, the second one is post with image or video, and the last one is to post with link. So now we will start with post with content only. The first one, add action section, you will select upload timeline. Next, turn to the upload type, you will select post. At the title to upload section, you will create a text file to contain titles of post. Then you will enter the title that you want to post here. Click to save. And then add the title to upload section. You click on this icon. Select the text file created. Next, at the comments, message or text section, you will create a text file to enter content of post. For example, these are contents that I want to post, and then click to save. At comments, message or text section, you click on this icon and select the text file created. Then you click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the server runs. Next, we will turn to post with image or video. Similarly, at Action, you will select Upload Timeline. Next, Upload Type, you select image or video. Similarly, you will create a text file to contain titles to upload here. I will use the previous one. Turn to the avatar image or video. At this section, you will create a folder to save photos or videos that which will be used to post on timeline. For example, this is a folder that I want to save photos to upload. Then, at this section, you click on this icon, select the folder created. Finally, you click OK to run this feature. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software runs with this feature. The last one is upload timeline with link. Here at that section, you will select upload timeline. At upload type, you select link. Remember to create a text file to contain title too. I will use the previous one. Then at link to upload section, you will create a text file which contains links that you want to post on Reddit. For example, these are links that I want to post, and click to save. Then add link to upload section, you will click on this icon, select the text file created. Finally, you click OK to run this function. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software runs this function. These demonstrate that above are steps that must be taken to post on timeline Reddit in bulk. You can visit Upvote.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.